Well, welcome back to another edition of Brett's Old Radio's Antique Radio Restoration. This is volume 4 in our series, where we are going to focus on more heavily damaged wood cabinet repair. We'll start with where we left off in volume 1, where you learn to actually repair an original lacquer without stripping it. Then I'll show you how to strip and refinish only the damaged parts of the radio and blend your repair in with the original finish to preserve the patina of the rest of the set. You'll learn how to repair chips and missing veneer, how to remove and reuse original veneer from other old radios, and even how to re-veneer an entire set if you need to. Plus, you'll see how you can fix broken cabinets and replicate missing parts using simple, inexpensive tools. Then I'll show you a number of different techniques to fill the grain in your veneer, how to use toned lacquers, and finally how to achieve that elusive piano finish to your lacquer. Finally, we'll utilize various tricks and techniques with blush erasers, sandable lacquer sealers, and different shades of lacquer pigments to get fabulous results in all your wood cabinet radios. Antique Radio Restoration Volume 4, available exclusively on DVD for just $39.99, including free U.S. shipping and handling. To get yours, send check or money order payable to Brett Manassa at Brett's Old Radios, P.O. Box 51671, Denton, Texas 76206. Or for immediate shipment, send a PayPal to Brett's Old Radios at att.net. At last, get the confidence to tackle all the radios you've always wanted to restore but weren't really sure how with Antique Radio Restoration Volume 4. Order your copy today.